Imagine this. You go to your vending machine, you restock it, you collect the money, and then you bounce. But you forgot to tell the machine that you took the cash. Well, today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of remotely clearing the cash box on your Nayax credit card reader. This is a secure procedure, so ensure you have the necessary permissions before proceeding. Let's get started. All right, so the first step, you will need to log into your back office from your web browser. You can only do this on your computer. So I'm going to get ready to share my screen here. All right, so from here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to log into your account. All right, from your dashboard, you're going to click on Operations. And then from Operations, you're going to click on Inventory Dashboard. You're going to go ahead and click on View Report. And it's going to bring up a list of all of your locations. You're just going to go down to the location where you forgot to clear the cash box. So I'm going to scroll down until I find the location that I forgot to do it at, which is this one here. Now from here, all you're going to do is right here where you see the dollar amount here, I'm going to right click on it. It's going to bring up some more options, and you're going to click where it says Update Visit. From here, you're going to get some options here. You're going to hit the drop down. You're going to select Cash Collection. And then you're going to choose the date and time that you collected the money. I was at this location on yesterday, and I also jotted the time down as well. So I'm going to change that time to the time that I left. And then once you put that information in, you're going to click on Update. It's going to ask you to confirm. This action will reset the cash box counter. Do you wish to continue? I'm going to click OK. And then it saved it successfully. Now, as you can see here, it has an updated total here of what the actual cash balance is from 10/19 and on. And there you have it. You remotely clear the cash box on your Nayax credit card reader. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, please leave your comments and questions down below. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks. If you're in the market to purchase a new Nayax credit card reader, I do have a promo code. If you use bk.vending at checkout, you can save some money on your next credit card reader. Till next time. Peace.